Kayla.
I'm Lucas.
I'm Natalie. Melanie.
I'm Kiana. I'm Sammy.
And I'm Leilani.
Yeah, and we're the STEM Out Club at the California School of the Arts, San Gabriel Valley. And so our club has been working on this weather balloon for the past year, building it, designing it, planning for launch, and we're going to be launching next Sunday, 11/24, and we're pretty excited about it. So this is a tutorial on how you can make your own, whether it be for club, for school, or anything else.
Okay, so this is our payload. We decorated it and we got it from Big Lots for $5. It's just a styrofoam ice cooler. And we put our sponsors' names on it, so they help us raise money to get all these equipment. And then this is the radar reflector. We just use aluminum foil and cardboard. And with this, airplanes can see your rocket and don't crash into it. And you don't have to go through the FAA, so you can just launch your rocket.
To understand the process and see from a different perspective, we attached a camera to the bottom of the payload to record the flight. So some people use different cameras to get different views, but one will do. We just got it from Amazon, and to attach it, we just taped it in and cut a hole big enough for the lens. So make sure you don't block the lens. We'll have a start button with us, and then just record the whole flight, and you're good.
So, what's gonna make this thing fly up into the air? A gas called helium. Helium right now, we did not think was gonna be a problem until we realized there was a national shortage, which is a pain in the butt. So we had to go find some place that would sell us helium and not reject us because of the lack of helium, or just reject us for whatever reason they want. My dad found helium in Matheson, Matheson, in Rancho Cucamonga, and we got helium from there. But how much helium do we need? So this is where you go online and you type up helium calculator for a balloon or something like that. Anyway, you'll find one. Use just a generic one. And you plug in the numbers they want, and then it tells you how much helium you need. Wow, so effective. Or lazy, because we don't want to do it ourselves, or else we're probably gonna jack it up. Helium doesn't really come with its own little container like that sometimes, so you gotta buy one. So we found our tank, and we got a valve separately, but both from Amazon, and that's what you use to contain helium.
Payload lands, you need to have a GPS. And what we did is we bought this spot trace, and the spot trace uses satellite coordinates, and so it's very accurate and efficient in locating the payload. Other people use Arduinos or their cell phones, and that's really up to you. It's just a trade-off. It might not work as well, but it's definitely cheaper. And so for our GPS specifically, there is different subscription plans, and we decided to buy the 1 month only subscription plan just because we don't plan on using the GPS after we're done using it. And so once you get the GPS, you have to activate it. So you create an account and you pay for the subscription plan, and then right away it tells you there's a map, and once you turn your spot on, then you can locate it directly on the map. So I believe the only problem right now is you need Wi-Fi in order to go online and access the map. And so there isn't really much Wi-Fi in the middle of the desert. So what we're planning on doing is when we launch, we're gonna go to some town near Starbucks or McDonald's, and then locate our payload there, and then go back into the desert and get it.
Exact location of where you're going to launch, so you can figure out exactly where it lands, so it doesn't end up on top of a mountain or something. So to do this, you use a CFUF landing predictor 2.0, and you find different and you just find the information that they ask for, and you just figure out the coordinates for each one and you figure out where it lands. So let's say if it's 100 to the coordinates are 100, 1, 2, 1, and if it lands on a mountain, try a different point, 1 off or something. I don't know.
The parachute we used was 6 feet in diameter, and we tied it to the payload with fishing line. We also tied our balloon with fishing line, and it's a 600-gram balloon. And to tie the lid closed on the payload, we use zip ties.
For NOTAM,
You have to contact Lados Flight Service Station, which is, the number is 877-487-667. And then you need to provide information like the date and time of your launch, the location of the operation in degrees, minutes, and seconds. And then you need to tell them the altitudes, and they may ask for more information, so just be prepared.
In order to make this project happen, we had to get some help from our sponsors and our fellow classmates. So thank you to RCS Reality Check Systems and Honeybee Robotics for helping us make this project happen. Because without you, we wouldn't be able to launch this next Sunday.